Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your #1 hub for all things related to property and investment. Here, we delve into the fascinating world of real estate, unraveling its complexities and shedding light on the many opportunities it holds. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools to make informed investment decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, just dipping your toes into the vast ocean of property investment, HouseLux Estate has got you covered. Today, we'll be breaking down the process of building a six-figure investment portfolio with ETFs in simple, easy-to-understand steps. Before we start building, let's first understand what ETFs are. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are a type of investment fund and exchange-traded product. They're traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. What makes ETFs unique is that they're designed to track the performance of a specific index, sector, commodity, or asset. Think of it this way. If the investment world were a supermarket, an ETF would be like a shopping basket containing a variety of different products, or in this case, different types of investments, such as stocks, commodities, or bonds. You're not buying these items individually, but rather, you're buying a small piece of each one through the ETF. Now, you might be wondering why choose ETFs? What's the benefit? Well, there are several. First, ETFs offer diversification. Because they hold a variety of different investments, they help spread risk. If one company or sector performs poorly, it's offset by others that may be performing well. Second, ETFs offer liquidity. Since they're traded like stocks, you can buy or sell ETFs throughout the trading day at market price. This provides flexibility and control over your investment. Lastly, ETFs are cost-effective. Traditional mutual funds often require a significant minimum investment, but with ETFs, you can start investing with the price of just one share. Plus, they generally have lower expense ratios compared to mutual funds, which means more of your money is working for you. One key point to remember is that while ETFs provide opportunities for profit, they also carry risk, like all investments. It's important to research and understand the ETFs you're considering for your portfolio. Now that we have a grasp of what ETFs are, we can delve into the process of building an investment portfolio with them. Building a six-figure investment portfolio might seem daunting, but it's completely achievable. It all starts with taking the first step, one that requires a bit of planning, budgeting, and goal setting. Let's begin with budgeting. You might think of budgeting as a restrictive practice, but in reality, it's a powerful tool that allows you to take control of your finances. It's about understanding where your money is going and making intentional decisions about spending. It's about finding a balance between your current needs and future goals. So, take time to review your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more towards your investment goals. Next is setting financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Perhaps you're aiming for a comfortable retirement, funding your child's education, or maybe you're just looking to grow your wealth. Whatever it is, having a clear goal in mind will guide your investment decisions. It's okay to start with small, short-term goals. And as you become more comfortable with investing, you can set bigger, long-term goals. Now let's talk about starting small. You don't need to have thousands of dollars to start investing. With ETFs, you can start with as little as $100. The key is to start early and consistently invest over time. This approach, known as dollar cost averaging, not only makes investing more manageable, but also reduces the risk of market timing. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy. It requires patience, discipline, and a bit of courage. It might be intimidating at first, but with each step you'll gain more confidence and knowledge. And lastly, don't forget to educate yourself. The more you learn about investing, the better you'll be at making informed decisions. There are numerous resources available, from books to online courses to podcasts, that can help you understand the world of investing. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and embark on your investment journey. Now that we've taken the first step, it's time to start building. Building an ETF portfolio can seem quite overwhelming, especially when you're just beginning your investment journey. But fear not, because it all boils down to three key elements: selecting the right ETFs, diversifying your portfolio, and regularly investing. Firstly, let's talk about selecting the right ETFs. This is where your research skills come into play. Consider factors like the ETF's performance history, its underlying assets, and how it aligns with your investment goals. For instance, if you're seeking long-term growth, you might lean towards an ETF that tracks a broad market index. On the other hand, if income is your goal, you might opt for an ETF that focuses on dividend-paying stocks. Now on to diversification. This is a crucial aspect of building a resilient portfolio. Diversification isn't just about owning different stocks, it's about owning different kinds of assets. These can include stocks, bonds, commodities, and real estate. ETFs are particularly handy for diversification, as they allow you to invest in a wide array of assets with a single purchase. Remember, diversification is your safety net. It helps to spread risk across various sectors and asset classes, reducing the potential impact if one of them takes a hit. So, while that tech ETF might be performing exceptionally well right now, it's essential to balance it out with other assets as well. Next up, regular investment. Now, this might sound like a no-brainer, but consistency is key when it comes to investing. This is where the concept of dollar-cost averaging comes into play. By investing a fixed amount on a regular schedule, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, this strategy can potentially lower your average cost per share. But let's not forget about patience. Building a six-figure portfolio won't happen overnight. It's a long-term commitment that requires discipline and persistence. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. So keep your eyes on the prize and stick to your plan, even when the market gets a little bumpy. Lastly, let's touch on rebalancing. As time goes by and market conditions change, your portfolio's asset allocation might drift from its original target. Rebalancing helps to realign your portfolio with your investment goals and risk tolerance. This might involve selling off some investments that have done well or buying more of those that haven't. And there you have it. Your ETF portfolio is slowly taking shape. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, make informed decisions, and stay the course. You're well on your way to building a robust ETF portfolio. Building your portfolio is just the beginning. The real work lies in maintaining and growing it. Once you've built your ETF portfolio, the journey doesn't end there. It's not a set and forget kind of deal. You need to regularly review your portfolio to ensure that it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Market conditions change, and so does the performance of your ETFs. Regular reviews help you identify any adjustments needed to keep your portfolio on track. Rebalancing is another key strategy. Over time, some of your ETFs may outperform others, causing your portfolio to skew away from your intended asset allocation. Rebalancing helps you restore your desired allocation, ensuring that your portfolio remains diversified and aligned with your risk tolerance. And let's not forget about reinvesting dividends. Dividend reinvestment is a powerful compounding strategy that can help accelerate the growth of your portfolio. Instead of taking your dividends as cash, you can choose to reinvest them into more shares of the ETF. This way, you're essentially buying more of the ETF without investing more of your own money. These strategies, regular reviews, rebalancing, and reinvesting dividends, are crucial for maintaining and growing your ETF portfolio. They require consistent effort and a bit of patience, sure, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. With consistent effort and patience, your six-figure investment portfolio is within reach. Let's do a quick recap of what we've discussed today. We embarked on this informative journey by first understanding what ETFs are: baskets of securities that trade like individual stocks on an exchange. We highlighted their benefits such as diversification, low costs, and high liquidity. Next, we delved into starting your investment journey. We emphasized the importance of setting clear financial goals, understanding your risk tolerance, and doing your due diligence. We then moved on to building your ETF portfolio. We explored various strategies like the core satellite approach, sector rotation, and bond laddering. Finally, we discussed maintaining and growing your portfolio. We stressed the need for regular portfolio reviews, rebalancing, and the power of compounding through reinvesting dividends. The road to a six-figure investment portfolio with ETFs might seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it's within reach. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more investment tips and strategies. Until next time, happy investing!